So here's a quick how-to. I'm upgrading a Laravel 10 project, and I discover one of the dependencies doesn't support Laravel 10 yet. So the question is, okay, how do I help the maintainer, the owner, add Laravel 10 support? So what I do, I go to the that repositories page that on GitHub, right? And what I do is I create a fork. Now, what I have after this process is I have the same repo in my control. And so what I do is I make any changes to the code I want because it's in my control, right? I make any changes I want. In this case, it would just be adding L10 support, assuming this is the only thing I need, but this is like the first step, right? And I'm going to commit that bit. So now this repository exists that has Laravel 10 support, right? Now let's use it inside our package to see if it actually works. So what I do is I go to my repo, and inside Composer.json, my project, and inside Composer.json, in the repositories section, and if you don't have one, you have to create one, I will add a new repository to tell Composer, okay, when you encounter CherryPy log envelope, in this case is Yarrow log envelope, right? Don't pull it from the original repo, pull it from my repo, right? So I'm going to use my URL here, right? So instead of using the original one, it's going to use mine. Sometimes, because there's a requirement envelope, let's see. Okay, so it requires a particular version. I'm just going to require @dev to tell it, okay, just pull the main branch or the master branch, whatever that is. Ignore any versions, because I just wanted to pull the master branch here. So yeah, if I run Composer update now, it's going to pull my fork. It's probably going to throw a different error because I'm in the middle of the process about upgrading Laravel 10. But yeah, it's no longer that error because it's using my log envelope, not the original one. Oh, so it's actually working. So yeah. So when that is done, so let's say I do test everything, it's going great, and I want to create a PR from my repo to log envelope. What do? Contribute, open a pull request. That will open a pull request from my fork to the main package. When the owner merges that one, I can just revert the changes I've done here. I'm going to require that version, and I'm going to remove this bit, the repository, and then I'm going to be using the main package again. This provides me a way to use packages before they even add Laravel 10 support or do whatever I suggest them they do, you know? So I can launch, I'm using my fork, and when those PRs get merged, I just update it to use the main again to get all the benefits of that maintainer's work. So yeah, hopefully this helps. I know I've been asked this a lot, and now I have a video to point people to. So yeah, hope it helps. Bye.